Connect is the national service for adopted children and young people in Wales, and it's a collaboration and partnership between the Welsh Government, the National Adoption Service, and then the regional adoption teams, and ourselves as Adoption UK as the lead organisation. And there's 4 elements to the service really. There's monthly activity groups, which encourages adopted children and young people to come together and be with their peers, information and guidance around adoption and issues that affect adopted children, raising awareness of adoption, and then we have 2 youth councils and ambassadors, which is a brilliant opportunity for young people to have their voices heard and influence the services they access. For them, it's a place where they feel like they belong, where people understand the issues that they might face, and also where they can get support from each other. They do become peer supporters. And I think that in itself has then enabled them to go forward in their life with more confidence, with building better relationships, with understanding themselves and knowing that there's somebody who is there when they need that support. With the support of our partners and collaboration with the regional adoption teams, we've been able to expand our service to North Wales now, South East Wales, Mid and West Wales, and that means that across the whole of Wales now, we've pretty much got it that adopted young people can access our activity groups. So to be able to expand it because of those collaborations and partnerships is an amazing thing for the families we're working with.